This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the finals. First, select your build. Light, medium, or heavy, each offering unique advantages. Then, customize your loadout with 2 gadgets, 1 specialization, and 3 weapons, including a primary, secondary, and melee. Your goal is to extract cash from vaults and successfully deposit it into a cash-out station. This initial setup is crucial for tailoring your approach to the dynamic arena. The finals offers diverse game modes. In Quick Cash, you'll find 1 vault and 1 cash-out station per round, demanding focused team play. Bank It mode allows you to collect cash from fallen foes and deposit it at any active station. Tournaments escalate the challenge across multiple rounds, leading to a grand final. Mastering these objectives, from securing vaults to defending cash-outs, is key to success. Effective team composition is vital. A balanced team often features 1 light, 1 medium, and 1 heavy build. Light builds are perfect for flanking and swift objective interactions. Medium builds offer crucial support, healing, and versatile utility. Heavy builds lead the charge, absorbing significant damage and destroying environmental obstacles. Coordinating these roles maximizes your team's potential for victory. To elevate your game, master environmental destruction. Create new paths or deny enemy access strategically. Always prioritize defending your cash-out station during its 90-second timer. Consider stealing enemy cash-outs by initiating an override in the final moments. Constant communication with your teammates is paramount for coordinated attacks, effective defense, and ultimately, securing victory in the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.